One.
Bonjour,
Bonjour à tous,
je m'appelle Dr. Ara Deuk.
je m'appelle Rachid La Suède.
And that's where my French will end. My friend here, my patient, is from Switzerland,
Geneva.
and he speaks at least English and French and maybe some German,
And a little bit Arabic.
a little bit of Arabic as well. My father spoke Arabic. Arabic, Armenian, a little bit of Turkish, French, German, English, and there was one more. But anyway, we're here today because this gentleman has traveled halfway around the world to Deuk Spine Institute to have your back fixed.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And I got it.
you got it. Thank you. So what was the problem with your back?
So, right easy. People, you have to understand that I get a back problem coming from this side and with the time going through my butt and through the time going through my legs and through the time going down, 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 down. And that's really hurting you because you don't have any kind of power on a side. And that's absolutely pity because you can see we have both sides. 2 eyes, 2 arms, 2 legs. If something miss, all the rest is going to get some difficulty. And that's why I'm really happy today because I recover all my side and I am able now to move 100% and perhaps more, 10%. Because when you have the painful, you restricted all your movement, and now when you are free, you recover your body and a little bit more, and that's absolutely wonderful.
Yes, it is wonderful because the human body, as you said, was meant to be symmetric.
Exactly.
And have equal power, equal sensation.
Absolutely.
And when you have an injury to the spine, either the neck or the back, it causes weakness on one side or pain, you end up favoring the other side. And then you're not moving symmetrically, you're not using your body the way it was created to be used. So it can create other problems, you're right.
Exactly, and that's absolutely the circle of the seal. The circle of the seal.
That's correct. So now why did you travel to the United States for surgery? Why did you come to Deuk Spine Institute?
Right easy, because regarding the knowledge that I gathered since years, you can just remark that you don't have any kind of this kind of surgery in the world, despite only here.
Thank you.
Please excuse my bad English language. I just hope that you understand me and just understand that if you are sad in your life regarding your back pain, just think about this institute that they have the solutions. And for me, to tell you the truth, at once when I realize that I get these solutions, your brain is going to work and my pain decrease a little bit, 1 or 2 levels, but it's absolutely wonderful because only those 1-2 levels give me the opportunity to take my plane during 9 hours and to be able to be here and make my surgery.
So what he's saying, at least how I interpret what he's saying, is that when he found out that there was hope for a cure to his problem, it reduced the anxiety that he was feeling. Because we all know in medicine that anxiety makes pain much worse. And so his anxiety came down enough to reduce the pain and the perception of pain that he was able to make the trip over here comfortably.
And there is absolutely something really, really important for me. That's Mr. Ara. He don't touch your spine. He don't broke any kind of bone. And you have to know that the spine is absolutely the tree of the body. As soon as you move something on your spine, you are not going to be the same the rest of your life. And perhaps complications are going to come. And regarding his job, he's absolutely full respect of your body. And that's our body, that is our machine. And to tell you the truth, I make also investments. But look at you, all you put the money on your car to move, and what I done, that's now I think that my body is my car, and I deserve that's this car
The best.
move exactly with the easy way. You are not going to buy a car making tuck 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 tuck
Right.
after tuck 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 tuck. It's not possible.
I believe what he's saying, in my interpretation, is that basically we all respect our cars, and we think about our cars as being a reflection of who we are. And he said the human body, your body, is the most important thing you'll ever have, and you have to treat it with more respect than anything else. Any kind of material object, your health is more important. And I agree with you. That's why I do what I do. I do want to make one more point. I know this is a long video, but bear with me. This gentleman's job in Switzerland is reconnaissance for the military. So his job is to gather information, and at the highest level for the government, the military. So what that tells you is that he did his research and he gathered the most information from all over the world, and he figured out that Deuk Spine Institute is the very best spine surgery in the world.
That was my first job. That was my first job, but now I am policeman.
Okay, fair enough. So did the surgery help you at all?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I don't feel any kind of pain. I am able to move just few minutes after the surgery. Check, check, check. Check on the world. All the people going out of a surgery, they have to lay some kind of weeks, some kind of months, and after those months, you don't have the guarantee that you don't have any kind of pain.
Yeah. So what he's saying is that at other types of surgery, at hospitals and other doctors, you actually have to be in bed for weeks and weeks recovering. And here he is, literally 45 minutes after coming out of the operating room. And where are you going?
Alors now I am going to, comment dire?
You're going home, which
Yes.
is your hotel for now.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
you're
that's
not
right.
staying in any hospital tonight.
Yeah, that's right.
You're leaving soon. You're all dressed and ready to go.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
You want me to dance?
Uh-huh.
Say uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
You want me to dance?
Uh-huh.
That's the way, I
I like it.
That's the way, I like it,
You're welcome. All right. You take care of yourself, okay? I have to go to the operating room. I'll give you a fist pump.
Let's go and check the M mark.